So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your mail held by the post office while you are on a vacation or you are not at the home. So you can check its status. Now just simply open any of the browser you have, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search this website usps.com/hold mail. Just simply go to the website. Let's just wait for the site to respond, and once it gets open, here you're gonna see you have to sign in with your Hold Mail account, with your USPS account. And once you sign in, you're gonna check, you are able to check the status of all your mails that have been struck, because it might be possible that at the time of that particular delivery you were not at your home, so you can check it status, or you can directly get the customer service to get your status right. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.